Yes sir, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the fuel pump. What we got to do is drop the fuel tank, this baby right now, and we are going to be installing the new fuel pump. There's a little steps that we got to take before taking off the fuel tank. There's no way that we can access it from the inside, so we got to remove it all and then bring out the fuel pump and swap it in for the new one. Fuel pump that we got is the Walbro 450. Definitely going to be helping us out pump out the right amount of fuel. As usual, you know, we can do all this talking, but let's get to it. All right guys, so first we are going to be removing the center console. There's a couple of Phillips screws there. There is some underneath this cup holder, but this cup holder is aftermarket and is actually, I think it's double stick tape that is actually holding it. Let me go on the other side real quick. Take this one off. Okay guys, so the last two are gonna be this one and this one. I had that little cup holder. Well, the previous owner had that cup holder thing, so he put a screw in this. Something you should probably never do, but he didn't care. Anyways, so these are the last two screws that you're gonna need to take off. Oh, it's pretty loose now. Should come off real easy now. Here we go. And this is what we have to access. We have to disconnect this one's here. Okay guys, so we need the Phillips. We gotta open this up because we're gonna be draining the tank from here. I really don't know if there's any gas in it right now. With all the gas in it, let's see, we have this one, probably this one. This is for, I believe it's the fuel sensor. This is gonna come out. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. Come on out and play. Let's go. And as you guys can see, there is a whole bunch of fuel in it. We got a 5-gallon pump here that I got from Harbor Freight. Coming out. So the gasoline is drained out. I did have to put the sensor back in there. So pretty much anything that we had to do up here, it's practically done. So now everything is going to be underneath and we're going to get to that. And we're going to be removing all these covers here. So they are size 10. Middle. Okay, we got one off. And we gotta get the other one off. The other two. So we gotta remove this for the brakes. We have to take this off. Also this bracket that's holding it up, gotta move out the cables out the way. That way the gas tank is able to fall off. We are gonna take these brackets off. So from the 10, these are 12 millimeters. So I think we are gonna loosen up the brake handle, boys. Let me see if it's even. Guessing that once we lose it up, yeah, it's probably all the way out, huh? And there's a little area where this thing hooks in here, and we're gonna loosen that up. All right, we're gonna go back to the 12 millimeters to get these nuts off, these bolts off. Millimeters. This one's kind of just coming off. I won't stab myself either, so. So now the only thing that we have left is pretty much these brackets here. Yes, sir. Wait. Hold up. It's coming down, guys. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, you gotta drop. Drop. Yeah, buddy. fuel tank is officially out, boys. Oh, let's go. Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna be cutting these lines. So this little tool here is called tooth cutter or tooth trimmer. You can find this at Harbor Freight, and it was like about 10 bucks or so. So what you want to do is put it around the tooth, and then you're gonna be tying it up. Now we're gonna do this one here. This is how you kind of want it to be. Just go in circles, and you tie it up a little bit more. Circles. Tie it up more. Circle all the way. Tie it up more. Circle all the way. Tie it up more. So the reason why we cut these is that we're gonna be turning these into AM fittings. We're gonna put some AM fittings here and here, and you know, so we can run our lines, our fill lines. Okay, so you have one right here. See, it's grabbing onto that, so it's gonna loosen that up. We're gonna come here to the top, and we're gonna remove all of them. Cable. Fuel pump that we gotta take off, and we are gonna be using these cables. The only thing is we're gonna be using butt connectors for it. Old technology, new technology. Clamps off. We're gonna be using this one. This red one, we gotta connect it here, and then the black one, we gotta run it back to our ground over here. guys, so I got this, it's kind of like a stainless steel zip tie. So pretty much what we're gonna do, put it around here. And tying it up. It's just pretty much so that it doesn't go anywhere and it just stays here. You don't have to do this, but it's kind of like a little safety feature, you know, a little safety measure. So that way it's not gonna go nowhere. We got our fuel pump ready to go. Now, just gotta place it back in. We're all set. We got our new fuel pump in. You know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.